Hello guys, it's the first of the month, and as always, running a business what I normally do, so it becomes easier at the end of the year during the tax times. We're talking about taxes. Well, every time we're gonna do your tax return at the end of the month, you have to go through a list of the accounts and separate advertising, insurance, gas for the vehicle, mechanics. We got rent if you have an overhead, if you have a shop, travel, food expenses, advertising, which we already went through, vehicle mileage. So there's a lot of things that we have to keep track of to make sure we do the tax at the end of the year, accordingly, and we don't mess things up. So it's just a quick tip to make things better at the end of the year when filing the taxes. You want to separate every month, at least once a month. You want to separate all the expenses for that month, and you won't get yourself lost at the end of the year and you have freaking thousands of transactions on your bank statement to fix and to separate. So at the end of the month, I do use a software. So every June 1st right now, July, every first day of the month, we go and separate them, and I use a software. So for example, I'm using QuickBooks, and on this QuickBooks, everything is separated for me. And so this is one of the parts what I do to make sure the accounting and everything's is set up. If you have an accountant already, that's, as the business grows, we're gonna have all those separate people taken care of. So here's the separation of the things that I do use. We got advertising, so all the separate different places that you advertise. So let's say advertising is in different, if you do Facebook ads and you run through your card, but at the end of the year, you're gonna have to prove to the IRS that everything's separated like that. Car and truck, whatever you use for business, whatever is gas, whatever is mechanic, everything has to be separated. And there are hundreds of different transactions that you get in a year, if not thousands. So when you do this separation here using like a software like that, it helps to keep things organized, and for you to also have a control of what is coming in and what is coming out of your business. And there's training for that. There's everything that you guys would know. Owning a business, you guys would have to know. But this is one minor part of everything that is going on a daily basis. But as far as the first of the month, this is what we do.